woman, the things I do to you. But I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl.
Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Mioneka, and in today's video, I'm gonna be trying out a V-part wig, and yeah, so keep watching.
I can't sit back and let this moment slip away, 'cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing?
So the night before, I had put this wig on to try it on to see what it looked like, and I got my oil on the hair, so it was weighing it down, making it stringy. So I had to go ahead and wash it and reinstall it. And I decided to do a side part instead of a middle part.
Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you. Get it, shout it, 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 get it, shout it. I guess I back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gon' do? 'Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go on and put your weight on it. 'Cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. Get it, shout it, 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 get it, shout it. Jeans tight, high heels, this is how you make me feel. Lips lost, teeth white, apple bottoms, let me bite. Spend the night, catch a flight. We can do what you like. Feeling right, you smelling good. Let's get this understood. Is there something you don't got to me? Are you the daughter of Frankie Beverly? It's the way you move, the way you move. I'm a fan of your good secret. She do it, freaky stuff. Shout it, got me geeked up. Like they won't, I got Play-Doh, let me show you street love. All I really want is you back it up, go and put your weight on it. 'Cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. Get it, shout it, get it, shout it, get it, shout
So scared. Oh boy, I came a long way with this hairstyle. Struggling. Seriously. I put a bobby pin right there. I'm so scared to take this one out. Gel right there. I'm not even sure I'm using edge booster. See when I take this one out. Oh, please. Please don't be ugly. Okay. Let's take some of this hair right here. Careful, be careful. Alright, so let's take a line to the corner. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, stop. Stop. Alright, so I feel like a suit would look so cute, but I'm just gonna leave them on if I mess it up. Okay. That's so cute. My hair is so big because I wear so many wigs and I just never really see my hair like that. That is so hilarious. Alright, so thanks for watching my video. And if you want to follow my Instagram is so.cuddy. And where I got this hair from will be down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.
You're smooth and shiny.